What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, I am Keisha83, and I'm just here to tell you today to follow me on Twitter. That's right. I'll put the link down at the bottom so that you'll be able to click to me. Pretty well, yeah, that. But follow me on Twitter, so I can give you my up-to-date nows and nows. I am still working on building my videos and putting them up there. At first, I was kind of shy to put my videos up here, but I think it's my time to show y'all my shine. You feel me? I'm messing with you. But anyways, follow your girl on Twitter. I keep you posted up to date on all kinds of stuff. And hopefully soon, not later, my YouTube page will be up and popping. I can get these videos out to y'all faster. You know what I'm saying? So until then, holla at your girl. Keep it real. Love you, deuces. Peace. Bye.